Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Now today I want to discuss chia seeds, the pros and cons, benefits, and warnings. And it's one of those health foods that's actually a little bit misunderstood. Now, chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is related to the mint actually. And chia seeds are and were an important food for the Aztecs and Mayans for thousands of years. And they actually utilize them for their ability to provide sustainable energy. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. And in recent modern days, chia seeds are considered to be one of the superfoods, right? And some people have even called them one of the healthiest foods on the planet. And if you take a look at the benefits, you can see why. First of all, they're very high in fiber, which is good for a healthy colon, and it can help keep you full for longer periods of time, and this also helps with weight loss. They're high in calcium, magnesium, and boron, which is important for strong bones. And when mixed with water, they form a gel that aids in digestion. They're also high in important omega-3 fats, which I'll discuss in further detail in a minute, because it can actually be a negative aspect of this benefit specific for chia seeds. Again, I'll get to that in a minute. It's also well balanced in the macronutrients because it contains a good ratio of fats, carbs, and proteins. And it's also good if you're worried about blood sugar because it has a low glycemic index and load, and it also contains no sugar. So all in all, you can see why it's just really very healthy. So let's discuss some of the potential cons, and I'll end with an important warning. Now, some people are actually allergic to chia seeds. Sometimes it's subtle, and other times it's just very evident. And I'll tell you why this happens in a minute. But pay attention to the symptoms and signs such as rashes, hives, and watery eyes. Even if they're, subtle, there are also the most, those common ones that are usually related to just any food in general, such as trouble with breathing and vomiting, diarrhea, and just swelling of the tongue. Now, another problem is stomach and gastrointestinal problems, such as gas, bloating, and constipation. Again, pay attention to these. Sometimes something else that most people don't know is that chia seeds can actually thin the blood and can lower blood pressure, which can actually be a benefit if you suffer from poor circulation and hypertension. But if you don't, it could, cause you to actually pass out or just become very fatigued from low blood pressure. And the biggest problem I've realized is that despite the fact that they are high in omega-3 fats, which are typically anti-inflammatory, chia seeds actually increase inflammatory markers, and this is because of two reasons. The first is poor conversions. Now, omega-3 fats are best consumed from fish sources, whether it's food or oil. But vegetarian sources such as seeds like flax or chia typically only contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Now, ALA is not as active in the body and must actually be converted to two other forms of omega-3 fatty acids, the EPA and DHA, to have the same health benefits such as regular fish oil has. Unfortunately, your body's ability to convert ALA is just limited. Only about 5% of ALA is converted to EPA, and while less than 0.5% is converted to DHA. And the older we get, unfortunately, the worse the conversions. Thus, just because it's high in omega-3 fats does not mean your body actually converts and utilizes it. However, if you don't want to have any fish products or you're vegetarian and so forth, then here's what you got. You got to take your chia seeds and flax seeds, but you got to take it a higher dose to get some of the similar benefits of fish oils. The second reason is that they're high in lectins. All right. And the reason is that cause the inflammation is because of the lectins. And lectins actually cause inflammation, irritable bowel syndrome. They decrease the immune system. They exacerbate autoimmune conditions such as, joint pain and arthritis and just lots of negative things. However, chia seeds are not super high in lectins. They're more what I call a medium or medium high food. So if you want to eat them, just don't go overboard. Less is best with this food. And it's best to actually soak them in water first for maybe an hour or two or longer. And as with everything, listen, test small and see how you feel and look. Then increase the amount or the dosage and continue to monitor how you look and feel. If everything is good and you feel great, then keep doing it. If not, then this or some other particular food doesn't work with your body type, all right, with your genetics and hormones. At least now you know. The hardest part to all this is paying attention to the minor changes in your body to see if it's good or bad. Now, when you eat food, you should feel good. You should feel energized, and it should continue that way for many hours. So there you have it. Enjoy your chia seeds, all right? Just watch out for the potential allergies and inflammation due to the lectins. Pay attention to how you look and feel, and then test small and increase the dosage as long as you continue to feel good. So that's it for today. I hope this video gave you more clarity. If you found it helpful, great. Do me a favor and subscribe and share the health with others so they can benefit as well. Also, please do me a big favor and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in my videos. I have a special link below this video in the description area. All you do is just fill it out and the information goes directly to my private email box. This helps me make videos that you want to watch about topics that you're interested in. As always, thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.